England has entered another national lockdown as it struggles to contain a second wave of COVID-19. This comes as the UK recorded 492 deaths, the highest toll since mid-May. Ollie Barrett tells us how the new lockdown differs from the first.
There are differences this time around. It won't feel quite the same as the full lockdown that we saw in March and April, but some pretty stringent measures nonetheless. Schools and universities will stay open, and the scientists say that although infections can spread in those locations, that is not the most dangerous place for people to be in terms of the virus spreading, and also that the harm to children and young people of shutting down schools and universities outweighs the benefits that you would get from closing them. So schools will stay open throughout. The government has committed to that. One other difference is the duration of the measures. The government has said that these new lockdown restrictions will expire on December the 2nd. What comes after that, though, the government is slightly less able to be clear. Boris Johnson saying that he hopes that after December the 2nd that England can move back into the tiered restrictions we saw previously, with tougher restrictions for the worst affected locations in England and less stringent restrictions for those parts of the country that don't have huge rates of infection. But he also wasn't able to guarantee that lockdown wouldn't need to continue after December the 2nd if the R rate in infections haven't been significantly affected. But he does say that if another lockdown was needed after that, then the House of Commons would get to vote on it.